With the touch of a button on the Pebble remote or the PowerView app, you can control your shutters. This allows for hands-free louver tilt operation and an easy way to adjust those hard-to-reach shutters. But you can still choose to operate your shutters manually. The PowerView app allows you to create preset scenes so that your louvers automatically tilt to their programmed positions, effortlessly creating the perfect environment for any room. And on shutters with a divider rail or split tilt option, you can tilt your louver sections independently, allowing you to control light beautifully. PowerView motorization makes your custom shutters even better by allowing you to create perfect light control while maximizing energy efficiency.
Need creative solutions? Connect with our BW team